Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio for photos on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your Photos app. Once you're there, pick a picture that you want to change the aspect ratio. For me, I want to use this one. Once you're here, just tap on the edit button on the top right corner of your screen and tap on the crop button at the right side on the bottom of your screen. As you can see, there will be options right here, and now you can tap at the top right again. As you can see, the one that is highlighted right there, and here you can now change the aspect ratio of your picture. You could transfer it to square automatically. You could use the freeform, so that it's up to you on what you want. You can go with the original if you don't like it. You can change it to a rectangular shape, wallpaper, or something like that. You could pick from any of these options. Once you're done, you just need to click on done, and you're good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.